Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nuzh and today I'm going to show you how you should be joining elastic ends to avoid bumpy waistbands. I'll be working on a scrap piece for a stick piece which is 2.5 times the width of the elastic. So for reference I used 3/4 inch elastic, so I took 2 inches width of the fabric. Now I'm going to take 4 inches in length of the fabric and stitch one end of the elastic onto half of the fabric as shown, making sure to attach all sides of the elastic to the fabric. Now place the other end of the elastic and sew along the sides. So once that's done, fold over the fabric along the length and sew. I'll first be pinning it together just to make it easy for me to hold on to while I sew. Here on, we're just going to sew and attach all the edges of the fabric to the elastic itself. Finally, do not forget to snip off all the loose threads, and that's it. Now you can use it however you like for whichever project you are working on. So for my project, I'm going to fold over the waistband and sandwich the elastic in between and sew. And again, just for my convenience, I'll be pinning it first before taking it to the sewing machine. This particular project was for a daisy outfit. Here the elastic will go all around, but the stretched or the cinched portion will be only on the back waistband. Finally, to avoid shifting of the elastic within the waistband, I'm going to sew along the center of the back waistband. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next. Happy sewing!